Hey everybody, it's Eric from epautos.com, your libertarian car guy. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on where I am in this project. If you've caught my earlier videos, I'm converting my 76 Trans Am from automatic to manual. And what I've just finished doing today is putting on this bracket here, which is the bracket that the Z-bar, which is this unit right here, connects to, at least on that side of the frame rail. On the engine side, which is this side, there is a ball stud that screws into the side of the engine block. I can't show it to you because it's already screwed in and it's really difficult to see it from this angle. At any rate, this will be the proper orientation once it's all installed. And as you can imagine, it just sort of rotates like that, you know, with your foot when you push down on the clutch pedal, and it rotates and it actuates through a rod assembly the clutch mechanism. Anyhow, one of the nice things about doing this swap on a second generation GM F car, meaning a 1970 to 1981 Firebird or Camaro, is that whether you got an automatic or manual car from the factory, they actually drilled they drilled the holes. They're not threaded. They drilled the holes in the frame rail for that mounting bracket that I just showed you. So all I had to do was tap it so that I could screw the bracket into place. And that's a whole lot easier than having to measure precisely and get your orientation exactly right. Pretty much monkey work, just a matter of the top bolt being a little bit difficult to get at. And that's why I cut that little access door in the inner fender panel. I know it looks a little bit, pardon the language, sexual chocolate, but I'll fix it when all is done, and I might even just put a new fender liner in there. I just had a hell of a time getting to that third bolt, which is right up there against where the main fuel line is. Really hard to see it, thread it, much less tap it without having a little bit more access. So that's what I did. Some might ask, well, why didn't you just take out the fender well? Well, the fender well is a pain in the ass to take out on these cars, particularly on a Pontiac, because on a Pontiac you got your battery on this side of the engine too, and it's just a big hassle, and I didn't want to deal with it right now. Nobody's going to see that. I'll bend it back into place and maybe do a little bit of soldering work, or whatever I got to do to straighten it up and make it look right, and it'll look just fine. Besides, who's going to look inside the fender well and see? Anyway, I'm pretty much done at this point in terms of, I can't do any more until I get my manual flywheel and pilot bushing, put those in. And once I've got those in, then I can put the clutch and the pressure plate in. Going to be an 11-inch clutch pressure plate, which is what it would have had from the factory. And after that, really the last big thing is putting in the Super T10 4-speed and the shift linkage. There's one other minor impediment that I have to deal with, which is I do have to cut an access hole in the drive shaft tunnel for the shift linkage to come up through, and then I have to get a manual console also if I want to retain the console. My car originally has an automatic and they're different. But just, incidentals, little bits and pieces. Everything's going along swimmingly so far, and provided the world doesn't end before spring, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to keep on schedule and have this thing up and running by then. And I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to it. I love my car. But as I mentioned in a previous video about this, I've never loved that it was an automatic. And the only reason that I bought it, because everything else about it was right, and sometimes you just have to accept something less than optimal when you buy a car. So I've lived with the automatic for all these years, and finally decided it's time to live it up again with the Super T10 4-speed. So stay tuned, more to come. Thanks as always for listening, and we'll have more for you again soon.